Welcome to our online course on the future grid. In this course, we will explore the exciting transformation in the way we generate, distribute, and consume electricity, and how we move towards a decarbonised, decentralised, and digitised grid. Australia is at the forefront of this renewable energy revolution. With the highest per capita rooftop solar installation in the world, Australia is in many ways a postcard from the future. The national energy market is also making significant strides, with renewables now accounting for 40% of the total energy mix. Some states are leading the charge, such as Tasmania, which often boasts 100% renewable electricity, and South Australia, which often runs entirely on wind and solar power. This course is built as a series of modules that you can take out of order. Throughout this course, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the technologies, challenges, and opportunities associated with the future grid from leading experts at UNSW. Now, I'm really excited about this course, and I hope you get excited about diving into the world of the future grid and discover how you can be part of the solution to our planet's energy challenges.